Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here JAGJOG Exercise. This is a bike for indoor use, with app control if you like. We have here a magnetic resistance exercise bike, a quad ergometer, a spinning bike for indoor, heavy flywheel, and a thickened seat. The LCD monitor gives us information about nearly everything. And we have a tablet holder, and we can of course pay it using an app. And it works up to 150 kilogram. Indoor cycling, often called spinning, is a form of exercise with the classes focusing on endurance, strength intervals, high intensity, these are the race days, and recovery. And involves using a special standard exercise bicycle with a wide flywheel in a classroom setting. When people took cycling indoors in the late 19th century, whether for reasons of weather, of convenience, technology create a faster, more compact and efficient machine over the time. The first imitation of the stationary bikes ranged from the vertical gymnasticon to a regular bicycle on rollers. So you can use an exercise bike like this. This is a stationary bike which comes to us with a nice spinning bike function. This is a device used as an exercise equipment for indoor cycling. It includes a saddle, pedals, and some forms of handlebars arranged as on a bicycle, a stationary bicycle. A stationary bicycle is usually a special purpose exercise machine resembling a bicycle without wheels. It is also possible to adapt an ordinary bicycle for stationary exercise by placing it on a bicycle roller or on a trainer. With this, I started in the past. Roller trainers are often used by racing cyclists to warm up before racing, or to train on their own machine indoors. The ancestors of modern stationary bicycles date back to the end of the 18th century. The gymnasticon was an early example of it, and this was really nice because it is inverted in 1796 by Frank of Lawrence. Really cool. And this bicycle here is a state-of-the-art device because it supports real-time data tracking and easily connects to the Fitshow, Fitshow, ZWIFT, and Kinomap apps. So you can choose what you like. We choose from countless courses as we like. Real-time scenarios creates an immersive driving experience. The spinning bike indoor supports online competitions with cyclists around the world, as well as real-time rankings. And this exercise bike has a contactless magnetic resistance system. The low noise drive only reaches 20 decibel. Train at home without disturbing the family. Smooth operation reduces wear, extends the service life too, with emergency brake for safety. The ergometer also covers a resistance range from 0 up to 100%. And we have triangular stabilization here, because this magnetic fitness bike uses a triangular stabilization structure that improves the stability from the ground up, and it is significantly above conventional support. The professional damping design filters out driving irregularities. With a load capacity of 150 kilogram, it allows a stable and comfortable training at home. Even people with a higher body weight can use this without hesitation. The fitness bike for home is equipped with a real-time data screen that tracks every movement at the moment. 5 core parameters, speed, calories, time, distance, and heart rate, are visible at a glance. This keeps the process of home training transparent and supports more efficient scientific training as well. And the seat height is 108 up to 118 centimeter, and the handlebar height is 109 to 118 centimeter. That's suited for different body sizes. The enlarged and the thickened seat cushion prevents discomfort while sitting for a long time and provides more stable support. This indoor bike also fits easily in small apartments. That's the perfect choice for home fitness, of course, because this is the JAGJOG Exercise bike with app control if you like. Really cool bicycle. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.